Hello. Today, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azimuchi Azeru Oziri. Today we go talk about the rights and responsibilities alias wetin pikin fit enjoy and wetin pikin fit do. And we go discuss this thing under the Child Rights Act of 2003. Now, I know say so many people no know say pikin get responsibilities. Small pikin get responsibility. The same way small pikin get rights, that small pikin too get responsibility. Before we go on, some people go dey ask say, okay, who be pikin? Who be pikin? Who be pikin? Who be pikin? Section 277 of the Child Rights Act talk say pikin na person wey dey under the age of 18. So if you never reach 18 years, the law talk say e be small pikin. Now, that same law for section 1 come talk say for anything wey concern pikin, anything wey get to do with pikin, any decision wey you wan make wey concern pikin, anything wey you wan talk wey concern pikin, say wetin go good for that pikin na wetin you go put for front. Na wetin oyibo people dey call consider. Na wetin oyibo people dey call consideration. You go put wetin go good for that pikin first for front. Na wetin law talk. Now, small pikin dey enjoy all the rights wey dey for chapter 4 of the 1999 constitution as amended. Small pikin dey enjoy all these rights. Small pikin get right to life. Small pikin get right to dignity of human person. This one come mean say make you no torture small pikin. Make you no treat small pikin like say no be human being. Make you no force small pikin to do work for you wey that small pikin no suppose do. E never reach to do. Small pikin get right to personal liberty. Small pikin get right to fair hearing. Small pikin get right to private and family life. So many people no dey respect the life of children. Small pikin, dem no dey respect their privacy. The law talk say small pikin get right to privacy, but this their right to privacy na you wey be their mother, wey be their father, wey be their guardian, na you suppose supervise this their right to privacy so that dem no go use am go dey do wetin dem no suppose do or make dem for no enter trouble. Small pikin get right to freedom of movement, but this same right too na you wey be the parent, wey be the guardian, na you go ensure say e no waka go where e no suppose waka. Small pikin get right to freedom of association. E get right to associate with people, especially people of his class, people wey dey the same age grade with am. Small pikin get right to associate with them. Small pikin get right to own property. Small pikin get right say na this pikin get this property. Small pikin get right against discrimination. Small pikin dey enjoy the right to freedom from discrimination. Wetin this one come mean be say no discriminate against small pikin because say im be small pikin, or because say im be man, or say im be woman, or because say im color im too fair, im too yellow, or im be albino, or because say how dem take sake of say how dem take born am. Law say make you no do that one. Small pikin get right to freedom of conscience, thought and religion. This one mean say for any matter wey dey on ground, small pikin sef get right to talk im own, how im feel say the matter be or how the matter suppose be. Small pikin get that right. Small pikin get right to say I no wan follow you go church, I no wan follow you go mosque, I no wan follow you go shrine. Small pikin get right to say e no even wan follow any religion, say e no wan believe in God, this thing wey oyibo dey call atheist. Na small pikin right. For some mothers or fathers or some parents or guardians wey dey force their pikin to follow them go their place of worship, just know say you dey carry this pikin fundamental human right dey play. You no suppose force your pikin to follow you go church, go mosque, or go shrine go pour libation. You no suppose do that one because the pikin get that right to decide whether im go follow you or not. Wetin you fit do na to try to talk your pikin, say tell am how your religion take dey good, how e take dey sweet. Talk to am to make am follow you, but no force am. If you force am, e dey infringe on that pikin right, e dey carry im right dey play. Small pikin get right to a name. When you born pikin, na the right of that pikin for you to name that pikin. Law no talk the kind name wey you fit give your pikin. Law only say make you give your pikin name. You fit give am yellow, you fit name am green, you fit name am congratulations, you fit name am big fowl, you fit name am America, you fit name am Nigeria, you fit give am any name. Law say you must give that child a name, na wetin law talk. Small pikin get right to education. Small pikin get right to education. For Madam Chidinma wey go person village, carry person pikin, keep the pikin for house, the pikin no dey go school, I wan tell you say na offence you dey commit like that, because e dey infringe on the right of that pikin. E dey infringe on the right of that pikin to go school. Every small pikin get right to go school. Every small pikin get right to free medical care. Free medical care, medical services, na the right of every pikin, every small pikin. Na their right be that. Small pikin no be small pikin wey dey inside belle, wey dem never born, get right. You know that one? Okay, make I tell una the right. Pikin wey dey inside belle, wey dem never born, anything wey you do to harm that pikin as that pikin dey inside belle, when dem born am out, im get every right to sue you for that thing wey you do when im dey inside belle wey affect am. For example now, some of these nurses dem wey no know their work, wey go carry injection wey dem no suppose give pregnant woman, give the pregnant woman. If that injection come make that boy blind, or come make the boy come get leg, or come make the boy get small comma for body, that pikin, that small pikin, when dem born am, im know say im find out say dem tell am say na injection wey dem give you keep you like this. You get right to sue that nurse. Na your right. Na your right to sue that nurse for wetin im do you when you dey inside belle. Thank you.